I will not be including the clip that I just deleted, but what I will share with you is that there is a hot new summer song on there called, and you're welcome, it's a curly girl anthem called The Day Before Wash Day Hair, Heat Wave. It's not what you're here for. It's not the content you asked for, but is it the content you need? I'll leave it at that. The reason we're here today is because of travel. How exciting. So we actually leave from Cape Cod, Massachusetts tomorrow afternoon. Mark and Callie will be sojourning by train to Providence, Rhode Island, where I will meet them after his work day and her camp day. And then we will drive to New Jersey, which is where our cruise port is leaving from on Thursday morning. So a couple of things. One, we are looking to get on the ship as early as possible with our VIP upgraded tickets. We can get on at 10:30 in the morning rather than in the afternoon. We've already done our COVID tests and submitted the results because we did have to get COVID tested in order to go on this cruise. Whether that is in play later on or not, I don't know, but it was actually a really cool process. If you want details, let me know in the comments below. And we have to take quite a little car ride. It's about 5 hours total, but the idea is that we are gonna get as close as we can to the terminal so that way we can get up in the morning. I'm hoping to run at the hotel. We get a free breakfast and then we'll head over to the cruise port. So I'm going to do an entirely separate video on why we upgraded our tickets, what we get with it, and is it worth it. But one of the things we do get with it is an early access, like on board situation. We also, I think, get like a fancier lunch when we get on the ship. Stay tuned, make sure you're subscribed. I have done travel hack videos in the past and I will leave the one about flying linked here above for you. Today's could take place whether you're on a plane or in a car. Now, here's the thing about my daughter. She's 6.5, she'll be 7 in October. She doesn't get plane sick, and we don't yet know if she gets cruise ship motion sick. I can. She doesn't typically on a regular boat, but she definitely gets car sick. Like, we pack an extra outfit almost every single time our car journeys are longer than an hour. However, she tends to get car sick with people who are not Mark and I driving because we can anticipate her patterns and behavior. So, the things that I'm putting in this bag, I would put a lot more in here if we were going on a plane because she could read and color. And some of these things I'm a little concerned about, but I'm just looking for little car distractions and then things that she can take with us to play with while we are on vacation. So we're gonna start with her backpack. I am using her last year's school backpack. I'm not sure if you've ever seen this. It's from Pottery Barn. These are expensive. And if I'm honest, like I washed this during the year, like once a week, and I would spot treat it. Honestly, I'm not sure that I would repurchase. Yes, it's adorable. Yes, we have a matching lunchbox and thermos for it. And I think it's gonna make a great travel bag. So if that's the reason you buy it, fantastic. They typically have sales around back to school, but in terms of her going into first grade next year, I will be changing out the type of school bag that we purchased. But one thing I do like about this bag is how many compartments it has. So the first thing I'm going to make sure that I pack is, and I'm not gonna be showing you her undies, but an extra dress for her. This is really oversized on her, which I thought would be comfortable in the journey in the car. Like me, she would prefer to wear dresses. And I'm even gonna pack an extra pair of sneakers for her. I'm gonna pack her native pink ones because she's going to camp in sneakers that can be destroyed. And then I will bring like a plastic bag and I will change her when we get to the car. So I'll have like a change outfit as well as an extra outfit going in this bag. I'm also going to be bringing her newest, most favorite pair of glasses that I almost just broke. These are from Ray-Ban. She picked out this little tie-dye pair. Oh, hello. Hello. They're dirty, they need to be cleaned. But aren't they cute? I'm very excited for her to wear these. She's been wearing her Frozen ones because they're clear and they go with everything, but I know she's gonna want these on vacation and I don't want her to have to worry about like where are they packed, so they'll just be in her go bag. And then some necessities. She has a water bottle. She likes to have water in the car. We'll definitely be filling it with like ice cold water before we take off. I have some cleaning wipes for things like her glasses, basically anything on the go. Cleaning wipes are always essential. And of course, we're gonna bring a little hand sanitizer for her. And to make it feel a little bit special, I'm packing her own chapstick. Now I know that doesn't seem like, ooh, way to make your trip special, Chels. But when she has things that I have in my purse and she has her own, she really likes that. It makes her feel like more grown up. And I am bringing some books, not for the car ride, but because this is her bag. Because we're gonna be spending some time in New York, I'm bringing her Eloise book. And then I thought for the cruise in the evening, because reading is a ritual that we do before bed, I would bring like this little pack of books because there are 12 different books in here. So the problem is that if I only bring one book, she's going to get sick of it and not want it by the end of the cruise or by the end of this vacation. I'm sure that when we go shopping, we'll pick up extra books along the way. And the one we're reading to her right now is Harry Potter. It's the third one, The Prisoner of Azkaban. And I don't want to bring that because it weighs 30 pounds. So we're gonna make it easy on ourselves and pack 13 books, but in a condensed way. I'm also bringing 2 sets of cards. Now again, this is just like a regular Raya playing card set. I don't think she'll necessarily be able to play with these in the car. However, if we get stuck in traffic, maybe while we're at dinner, and in the evenings, we've been playing some math games with cards. So I'm gonna bring this as kind of a backup. I think she'll be okay with these. These are the I Found It series, the Disney one. The images on these are really large, so I'm hoping that if she holds them upright, we're gonna put her in the middle seat with her car seat, obviously in the second row. So if she's facing upright and looking out the front window, I think for a little while, these might be okay. In the car, I'll play with her as well. I have this makes such fun ASMR sounds. I have this game, it's called Bug Trails. And I'll show you what I have for her car seat later. But I have this game, it's called Bug Trails, and it requires some thinking. It's like a domino game, but with colors. It's really cute to play. It's educational. It's like, she has to think ahead in order for the game to work. And I think she'll be okay with this because it's like putting something down, but then looking up again. Again, we'll see if necessary. And one of her favorite things to do of all time ever, no matter where we are, is scratch art. So this is a mermaid set. It's ocean themed because we are going on a cruise. And we did already kind of start some of this, like she did You Wish Jellyfish, and it comes with a little spot where you can put the scratcher, which I think is helpful. This is well loved. It may end up getting recycled while we're on vacation, and that's okay. But something for her to do. One of her main activities, I think, will be poppets. She's not really a poppet kid. Like, she likes the idea of a poppet, but she never actually plays with them. This one was a little keychain that she won in her classroom. She picked it out of the prize bin, but I think she'll be able, with her little nimble fingers, to like carry on a conversation. She's mentioned wanting to listen to Harry Potter in the car on the ride down, so I think that will keep her occupied, but she can also fidget with this in her lap while she does that. The main thing I'm excited for her to have is this LCD writing tablet. This is so incredibly lightweight. It feels like nothing, which means it's gonna travel really easily. I did get this 16-inch screen, though they have smaller options. I will leave the link for this. It's from Amazon in the description box below, but there are 3 colors. This is the blue. They also have a pink and a white, but I liked the teal because it kind of matched her backpack, right? And I think this is awesome for so many reasons. First, because she's going to be able to like write and rewrite on this, since there are 2 buttons in the top. The star button clears, and then the moon button allows you, like when it's red, it's locked so that you could write. Let's practice, shall we? Let's write something fun. So the little star button here is to clear, and the moon button is to either lock or unlock the screen. So right now the screen is locked, so when I push this star button, it won't erase, but you can like add to it. When you hold this button down, it blinks green, and then you can clear it away. The little clip pen goes right on the back. This is such a good travel find for the car, for the plane. I think we'll probably play a lot of Hangman on here. And how awesome is this for kids who are learning to either write and practicing their letters or read? You could play so many educational, and I know my teacher brain is on overdrive here, but you could play so many educational games on this. It's like a whiteboard, but better because you can take it with you. It doesn't require a ton of space for storage. It recharges. It came with a little USB charger. It just didn't come with like the block. It recharges, let me show you, right here on the top port. And then there's this little thing on the back, which I think would be really cute for Play-Doh. But I just absolutely love this. I'm excited to bring it with us. It has so many valuable resources like built into such a simple device. It's like a screen-free way to play with your kid in an educationally fun manner. I love all of that. Educationally fun, yes. And Callie likes to draw, so this would be a really fun one where if you wanted to use a screen or use like a how to draw book, she could follow all the steps and then her little creatures would be on here. I love that so, so much. I'm also going to have some fun surprises that I'm picking up for her that she'll find in the bag. So one of them I think is just going to be a journal with crayons or new markers, and one will be a little surprise princess, but I'll show those to you once I pick them up. I'm sorry, friends. This is what the hair has to look like. I went out into the world and returned, and it was just too darn hot. It's too darn hot out there. It's too darn hot out there. Okay, so these are the final things going in Callie's like travel bag. I grabbed, how cute are these? To these crayons. This is a whole new line called Colors of Kindness. There's 4 new colors: Yellow Sunshine, A Peace of Mind, Sky's the Limit, and A Warm Hug. So I got those in, oh look, let me show you all the colors on the back. How cute, these are pre-sharpened colored pencils. There's 12 of them. Oh, how cute. They're kind of pastel-y. Ooh, I like Always Brave. It's like, it says it's cadet blue. And of course I like Breathe Deep. It's turquoise. So I got her these 2 because she's been very into like journaling this summer, activities that she's done, things that she's looking forward to. So this is just a blank sketch pad. So I thought that she might want to draw while we were on vacation what we were doing. And then for her little like Disney surprise thing, they didn't have much by way at Walmart or Target. They had the Disney brand minis, or the mini brand Disney. Those are too small. We don't have a place for them. She doesn't play with them. She just enjoys opening it, and then the toys go to waste. I thought this would be way cuter. This is a Disney Adorable. Get it? I don't know why they're called Doorables instead of Adorable. Like, do they go on a door, or is it just because the box looks like a door when you open it? I've never bought this, I don't know. But it's a 10-inch plush. And the choices here for this particular box, there was a frozen one too. The choices for this particular box are Minnie, Mickey, or Daisy. They did have a frozen one as well. So I see, you're supposed to like take the plastic off, and then there's like this perforated door, and it says, who will you get? And you pull it through there. I think she'll be very excited to open this, and then she'll like it'll be her little like buddy for the trip. And then I got some, of course, snacky staples. I'm gonna do a separate snack bag for the road. I definitely bought too much for how long we'll be in the car for, but whatever, I figured it will translate into lunches and snacks for the rest of the summer. And that's what we have going on in here. It is quite packed. I might need to do some rearranging because it's quite full and I still have to fit these things in. Let me fix it. When your hair is filthy and you need to wash it, day before wash day hair. Guys, I think I just came up with the next curly girl anthem called Day Before Wash Day Hair.